everyone. Sir, yesterday I explained some scenario. I have to enter some name. After that, I have to read the name. And in the next page, I want to display the date and the time, those things. Anyone completed that scenario? No? Very good, boys. Sir, now Ista. Sir, yesterday I created forms.py inside one name field and that is character field. For this login form, I created object into the views.py. Here form object created by using dictionary. I can forward it to home.html. In the home.html, I displayed that form and I provided one button, submit button, enter name. For this, I'm given one URL. Home is the URL. So in this case, just we have to start the server and run the program. Go to the D drive. CD Django 10th February project session project kada. CD session project 2 py manage.py sir, run server, start the server. ఏదని ప్లేస్ లేదంటే ఎత్తుకుంటున్నాడు ప్లేస్. చిన్నకొండ పెద్దకొండ దేవరకొండ. समझ में आएगा అనకొండ. Sir, now take the server address, go to the browser. Sir, address is మీరు కాదు, ఒక అమ్మాయికి అదే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, ఒక అబ్బాయికి అదే, మమ్మల్ని చూసినా అదే, ఇంకా ఎవరిని చూసినా అదే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మీకు. వామ్మో, ఆయన ఏంటి ప్లేస్ ఏ ఉండే ఎక్కడన్నా. సరే చూడండి. నౌ వెల్కమ్ టు Naresh IT. Sir, name field is available there, one text box. Inside, once I'm entering the name, I want to click on enter name. My intention is, once you click on this, take one more HTML page, that is date time dot HTML page. Sir, once I click on this one, it is redirected to this page. Here, whatever name you are entering, this name I want to display here, sir. Here in this page, hello, Sunny, I want to display, and I want to provide one anchor tag, that is one hyperlink. Click here some to get the date and time, like that one link. So whatever data provided by here, first time cookies are not available. How to read, how to display. Once at the time of sending here, I want to set the cookies. Once I clicking on this one, it is a one hyperlink. Okay. I want to create one more page. That page is results.html. Same Sunny I want to display here. First time cookies are not there. Once I send this to here, I can set the cookie. From here to here, I want to read the data from the cookies. From the cookies, I can read. And I want to print, what can I print? Hello, Sunny. Now the server date and time I want to display. Now the time is so and so I displayed, sir. After that, again, you have to provide one more link here. Click here for updated time. And after 1 minute or 2 minutes, so I have to click this link. Then immediately, hello, Sunny. Now the time is on, so I want to display. So totally 3 HTML pages. First one already done home.html. From here, how to read the data, how to send datetime HTML. From here to how to send the results.html. That is the concept now. In this case, network issue. Oh. Net connect in the వస్తుంది కదా సార్. Now check here, sir, carefully. If I want to read the data, send it to HTML, view is the responsible. From this view, I want to create one function. आया कांचन आया. Date and time. We have to give the first request argument inside, sir. Here the concept is how to read the data from this request dot method equal to get I can provide it there. This is breaking. Sir, in this form, once I enter the data, I am clicking on submit button. Is it a get request or post request? Post request. Previously, every time I'm using request.post only. That's why everyone thinking that it is a post request. But it is not a post request. It is a get request. The reason is, sir, within the form, voice is breaking. And I'm not audible, not clear. ఒకటే ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ యాక్టివేట్. Not clear, voice is breaking. Clear. Now okay. Audible. Sir, చూడండి now. Sir, observe, sir, carefully. Go to the HTML file. In this file, here you can concentrate. I am given form. Inside, is there any method is there? If the method is post, then only your request is post request. If you have not given any method, by default, it is a get request only. If you provide a method equal to get also, get method. If you have not mentioned anything, by default, suppose if I open any form, the request will coming as a post. Then it is the post request. Once you click on enter button, it should be post. but I'm deleting all these. Just I'm declared form. That's why it is called as a get request. So that's why I need to ask from here request dot get inside. What is the variable name? Name. Name attribute is there. I am taking the name stored into a variable. Sir, generally, if you want to send this name to the HTML file, what is the process? Return, render. First argument is request, comma. I want to go to the test app slash date time dot HTML file. Create one dictionary with this name, comma, dictionary, curling brace. I want to give name, colon, name. This is the way because I am reading end user provided data stored into the name variable. I created one dictionary. I can forward it to which file? Date.html. In that HTML, you have to give curling braces with name. Then automatically name will be available. But don't return this one. Just you have to what to do? Stored into variable. What is the reason? You have to set the cookie. Now you have to set the cookie to this response. Then it will be stored into cookies dictionary. How should you set the cookie? Response dot. What is the method? Set underscore cookie inside cookie name, comma, cookie value. What is the value? Name. Return this response to the end user. Now, return response. Same as also, same we are doing, but only thing is the first time I'm taking data from the get request, it is nothing but end user provided data. Once I'm reading stored into variable, actually I have to return render, but this render I can store into one response, set the cookie, return this response. So in views.py, take this one. Screen is stuck. బాగుంది కదా. As in line number 6. No. Once we have to set the response to the cookies, this name, one time is enough. Just I have to return the response. Completed. Django new batch. Sir, I have to create one HTML file, sir. Date time dot HTML. In this, just to display the name, display one anchor tag. So with this name, HTML file is not there. Create it in the test app folder. Go to the test app folder, templates, right click, go to the new file, datetime.html. Here I have to write HTML code body. Inside I have to provide h1 tag. Hello, curling brace, curling brace. What is the variable name? Because within the view in the dictionary, what is the key name available? That name I have to display into in this place. Next, one hyperlink is required, anchor tag. Anchor tag you have to define. That anchor tag is click here to get the date and time. Click here to get the date and time. Fine. Aite for this view, define one URL, sir. Come to the URLs. Copy అయిందా అది పోయింది. Now give the this is the second page. Views dot date time. Server is okay, fine. You say in the where HTML page lo why once I clicking on this one, next page address you have to give, not second. Next page, what is next page? Results page. That address I have to give. Here once I am clicking on this one, which page will be displayed? Date time page? No. Results page. Sorry. If it is displayed date time, am I written any logic the current date displaying? No. So that date where even next function I can take, in that I can read the system date and display. Third page, results page address we have to give in case of hash symbol, present not required. Because once I clicking on this enter name button, I want to display this second.html page, this date time dot. For this date time, what is the function available? This one. This function where is available here? URLs. Second, I can provide it there. Okay. Now observe. Server is ready. Come to here. First, refresh this. Enter name. Sunny, I can provide it there. Now, in this one, if I click on the enter name button, what is the output we will get? If I click on this button, enter name button, what is the output you are expecting? It will display hash. Am I, wait. Am I clicking on which one? Am I clicking on this one? If you click this, then hash symbol. I am asking, I'm clicking on enter button. Enter button means this button, which page available? This page, home page. What is the output? Once I clicking on this, sir, click on this, data will be gone, same page will be displayed. How to get the second page? What we have to redirect? Sorry, where can I give redirect? Sorry, where is the views? Observe here, the flow is not like that. What I'm putting, yes, form law, you have to mention one attribute. What is the attribute? Action. And once clicking on button, what is the action you want to perform? That is the meaning, not the redirecting. Because of This button is available, this enter button is available into this page, home page. Once clicking on this one, what is your action? Here method, observe, sorry, once I take form, whatever attributes are there, attribute is there, action attribute. What is the use of that action attribute? Once I clicking on this button value, what you have to display? I don't want method, that's why I deleted, because it is a get request. In this place, it is displaying index.html. No, I don't want. I want to display which page? Second URL. What is the second URL? Immediately it is looking for your URLs. It will go to URL second. In the second, what it is? This function will be executed. This is the process. Now, home names are new. Okay. First, give this one, clicking on enter, get request. Now provided there, enter some name, Sunny, enter name. Home, second page not found. Home, second, two URLs are there. Adi. Home. Refresh. Go to back. Home page. Give name Sunny. Enter name. Hello Sunny. Click here to get the date and time. Page is coming. Sir, once I clicking on this, it is redirecting to which symbol? Hash symbol. So for this, you can create one result page. In that you have to display date and time. That URL you have to give into in place of hash symbol. That is the meaning. So now datetime.html. Take this one. URLs.py. In URL, I have to mention path. Second page, this is the. After that, so many people are missing this lines are compulsory in home.html. Within the form, you can give action equal to second. Then only page will be redirected. Otherwise, no. In the form, you have to give like this. Then only once I enter the name, that action second page will be displayed. So total not required. Only in the form, just you have to add attribute action. Second, you can mention, because SD already I'm given home.html file. Action is not mandatory. Once clicking on enter name button within the form, which page you want to open, then I can mention as a action. So completed. So first to home.html, one name. Once you click on that button, it is going to the second page date.html. Just it displaying name and one anchor tag will be displayed. Yeah, you can give HTML page address also. Sir, observe here. First of all, I'm given this URL. The end user enter this URL. First, this is the we are doing here. Okay. This is my URL pattern. First, this URL is checking for URLs. It is available there. It is executed home underscore view. Go to the views. Home underscore view, the responsibility is which page? HTML page. In this page, I displayed one empty form. So it is going to the HTML. One form will be displayed. That is, this is the form, empty form. Once empty form is there, I'm entering some name. Click on enter name button. So how it is executing means, once I click on this one, enter name. What is the next action I have to do means, immediately it is executing this one. Action is pointing to the second. What is this second? This is available into your URLs. Second URL is there. It will goes to date time. It is going to the views, date time, and it will display the page. Which page? Datetime.html. In this datetime.html, okay. So hello, name will be displayed. After that, click here to get the date and time. Now come to here, enter the name, click on this, available there. Once I click on this, nothing will be happened because of it is pointing to the hash symbol, because it is, what is the H reference? Hash. So now generate one function, go to the view. In this view, you have to identify system date def result underscore view. Inside the first argument is request. Sir, in that page also, I want to display the name of Sunny. How to get the Sunny name here? Request dot. Where can I take the name? From the cookies dot get of. What is the variable name? Name is going. Am I set the cookie or not? From there I am reading. Why I am using get command means, for example, I am using this one also valid. But yesterday I am executed in another browser, direct last page, it will get error. Name is not there. That is the reason I am using get command. Get command never give error, it will give none. That's why yesterday execution, hello none, date and time will be displayed. That is the reason I am using the get method. Sir, now stored into variable. What is the variable? Name. Get the system date and time. Import. What is the module? Date time. Date ఏంటో అలా ఎక్కడో ఏదో చేసా అది దట్ ఈస్ ద మిస్టేక్. Import to date to time. Sir, some people are thinking that for this function, observe in line number 14, I'm using date time. Okay. So just I'm declaring function, I'm using this one. Some people are thinking that it is compulsory here only. Some people are using starting. Is it valid, invalid? Valid only. Some people are thinking, sir, you are using above the function only, then only it is applicable. No, no, no. In your program, anywhere that statement is there, it is applicable. No problem. So import date time. Okay. In this. So how to get the date time? Date time dot. Again, date time dot. What is the function? Now I'm getting the system date. Date underscore time. Now return render inside request test app slash results dot html. Create the dictionary. In the dictionary, two values are there. One is name. Second one is date time. Date time. Now, is it okay? Here, no cookie is not required. Directly, you can send a response of HTML page to the end user. So this is the function we have to define into views.py. So name I'm reading from the cookies and the date and time identified by using function. I create a dictionary. This dictionary forwarded to results.html finally. Completed. Finally, results.html page. Results.html. We never store the cookies. Django will take care about those things. In the browser, it will be stored. Client is responsible to store all these things. Django server will take care about these. Generally, in the browser cache memory is there. In that, it will be stored. Yeah, previously cookies are not required because of in the first time I am taken data from the form, not taken from the data in cookies. Here I am reading end user form. That is the reason I am using get method. After that, I set the cookie response. Now from the cookies available, from there I'm reading the data. Sir, finally create one page results.html, sir. In this results.html, I want to go with HTML page, inside body h1 tag, hello, curling brace, curling brace. You have to display the name. We have to display the name. I want to take h1 tag, current, date, and time. What is the variable? Date underscore time variable. If you want to update it, take one anchor tag. Now click here to update the time. So now, once it is available there, create one URL. That URL pattern is results. Results is the URL. Views dot, what is the view name? Result views are done. Where can I give these results? In the, wherever you are clicking on the datem HTML in this place, slash results. And one more also, you have to give results.html also, it is pointing to hash symbol slash results. Now see the server is ready. Copy the server address, go to the, give the URL home. Now enter the name, click on this, hello Sunny, click here to get the date and time. Once click here, current system date and time 11:53 AM, March 6th. So this is the final page, result page, sir. Copy this. Yesterday I'm asking, if I go to any new browser, if I send a request, it will go to results URL. It will go to the views results. Name, it is asking request.cookies.get name. Is there any name is there? Nothing. Get command will return which value? None. So name is none, date is there. That's it will display hello none. The, where is the Firefox here? Click on enter. Hello none, current date and time. And if you are not using get command, immediately you will get key error. Because with that name key is not there. Error you will get it. That is the reason we can provide that get. Here also you can go with starting onwards. Now check this. First go to the home page. Okay, page is available. I am given as a Katrina. Enter the name. Hello, dead there. Now, this one, if I go to the Edge browser, again, problem came. Problem means none. Because from starting onwards, it is not there. Cookies are not available. It will return value as a none. If starting to last, if we go to the flow, then only name will, otherwise no chance. So that is the way how to provide that your session management by using our cookies. So results, in the results, mention this body. As the last 2-3 rows, are you listening the class? Last 3 rows. Yes? Practicing. ఇక్కడ ఒక బ్యాచ్ ఉంది, ఇది ఒక సర్కిల్ బ్యాచ్. అక్కడ లాస్ట్ ఒక బ్యాచ్ ఉంది, ఇది ఇక్కడ ఒక గుంపు ఉంది. అదే practice it. If you are practicing, it is useful for you only, not for me. In urls.py, define one URL, results view dot result underscore view. In datetime dot html file, results dot html file, wherever hash symbol is there, you can replace with that results. So here in the href, provide results, and in the results.html, you update these two places with your URL pattern. MongoDB started afternoon 2 o'clock. MySQL. It will finishing in only 6 days soon. MongoDB patches when started. Sardau, the application flow is going on there means first end user given the request, I forwarded this request. Once I'm given this request, there is one page is there, that is home.html will be displayed. Home.html page will be displayed. In that home.html, one name text box is there, button will be available there. And this is the page it is displaying first. One page will be displayed. Okay. Once it is displayed, in that, if you are clicking on submit button, if we submit the request, will go to where it will go to URL pattern. That URL pattern is second, because once you see the flow, once you clicking on enter name button in HTML page, this page, it is going to the URL, second URL. Once it will go to this second URL, that URL which is associated with views dot views dot what is the function? Second function, date time function. Once it executed date time view, automatically cookies will be generated. This view even the date time dot HTML as response And in that response, name cookie added for the future purpose. So that is the flow. It is happened there. Sir, చూడండి, by using cookies, one more example. Sir, now here in this browser, if I'm given name, enter this, click this, available there. If I close the browser, if I open Chrome browser, if I'm given result page, what is the output I will get? Am I getting the name or none? What is the output you are getting? None. What is the reason? Because once I close the browser, automatically cookies information will be gone. These type of cookies are called as temporary cookies. Sir, now see next example. Same like this. One more example we will see. Here, completed this one. Sir, first, I want to display one form. Here in this one, I have to display home.html. In this one, I have to give a name, text box I can provided there. Okay, done. Instead, I have to give a button, submit button. Button is also ready. So I have to display one home.html page. I'm given one name text box, submit button. So to display this one in previous example, I'm using forms, forms.py. Without forms, can I do this one? Without forms, directly HTML tags. Now this example directly I can use HTML, not using form. Check this carefully. I'm not using the forms, okay? Sir, once you click on submit, you have to display one more page. This page is age.html. And once I clicking on this, you are navigated to this page. Whatever name you are entering, that name you have to display here. Hello, Sunny. Now, you need to ask age. Provide one text box. Ask the age. And you have to provide a button. Submit or enter age, any button that is your wish. One button. Enter age button is ready. Once I clicking on this, I have to redirected to another page. That page is gf.html. gf.html. Sir, observe here. Already name entered, a printed name. Your entered age, don't print age. No, you have to save in the cookies. Don't print age. I don't want here in this page. Just I'm asking hello, Sunny. Enter your boyfriend name. Now, enter your boyfriend name. Once enter the boyfriend name, I want to click on submit button. Once I click on submit, I have to go to the next page. So here in the last page, that is results dot HTML. So first page home.html, age.html, girlfriend.html, last page results. Here you have to display all the information, whatever you were entered from starting to until the last. Means just you have to provide hello, what is the name? Sunny, something. Thanks for providing information. So on, so some text I will write. After that, in the first page, whatever name you are entering, that name. After that, age enter in the second page, that age. Third, boyfriend or girlfriend. Based on that, we have to give name. We have to display. Please cross check the information. I have to display this one. This is the flow. So how to do this one? First time, if you want to read data from the name, we can use get. From here to Sunny, I want to read to next page means here you can set the cookies. Here you can set the name as cookie, age also cookie. But here you can read only name, don't read age. Once taking age, set the cookie to the which one? Boyfriend. Finally, from the cookies, name, age, and boyfriend name. Sorry, sir, that is the current flow. Now, deleted. So that is the flow, sir. Sir, but here I'm not using any forms.py file. Without forms.py, I'm creating all these. Check this. Stop the server, clear the screen, go to the back. Django -admin start project session project 3 CD session project 3, sir. py manage.py start app test app created the 3 steps. Sir, these are all the things regular activities only. Next, add application in settings.py. After that, what to do? One step is mandatory. Make migrations and migrate. Because of session related tables will be created. So project, application, add application, make migrations. So what to do? Here created now. Close the previous project tabs, all closes project 3. And still so many people, if I'm asking create a template, it means you have to create a template folder in main project. First you can check the path. Template does not exist means something goes wrong. Here you have to create your template. Still these templates are creating inside the project. Don't create inside, outside main project you can create templates folder. So now session project 3, open settings.py. Inside you have to add installed apps, test app. First make migrations kada, py, manage.py, manage. make migrations. Now migrate. All the system related tables are ready. First one, what we have to mention, views.py. In the views.py, you have to display one page with the name. Go to the views under test app, views. Here, dev, home page. So home underscore view. Instead, first argument is request, sir. Return, render, directly on HTML page I'm sending, no cookies, nothing. Now, test app slash home dot HTML page. This is the first view. For this, home.html is required. Form is not, that is I'm telling now. Previously, all examples form I'm taken Vijay. Now without form, I'm doing this scenario by taking direct HTML tags. So that is also possible. How to get MongoDB classroom link. You can check in Naresh Shetty website, or else you can ask the online admins are there now. Sir, home.html. Take the templates, right click on main project, go to the folder, templates, inside templates, folder, test app. Inside test app, right click, file, home.html file, sir. Now, settings, here, take the template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir you can provide it into the dir's folder. Done. Come to HTML. HTML. Here I want to take H1 tag. Welcome to Naresh IT. So now tell how to display one text box. General up now I'm using form. Now without that, direct I can take HTML form, class, action. I will mention method. I have to take get method, remove this attribute. By default, it should be get. Inside, can I go with enter name? Can I take input tag? Type equal to text, name equal to I can given some name I can provided there. Because tomorrow I can access value by using this name attribute. Now, I want to provide one input to type equal to submit button type. The value is submit your name. Page is ready, view is ready, URL is required. Go to URL. So if you want to take the form means your wish. Without form, that is I'm telling directly HTML tags. So here home slash views dot home underscore view from test app import views provided there. Start the server py manage.py run server. Server is started, sir. copy the address, go to the here, give the address is home. Welcome to Naresh Shetty. Enter the name. అక్కడ ఫామ్ అయితే ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గో టు ద యాజ్ అండర్ స్కోర్ పి, మరి ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్, వాట్ టు డూ? కెన్ వి గో విత్ బ్రేక్? దెన్ విల్ గోస్ టు నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. వెళ్దా ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి? కెన్ ఐ గివ్ హియర్? Then it will goes to the వెళ్ళిందిగా, వెళ్తుంది. ఎవరి కోసం వెళ్దాం? నెక్స్ట్ సమ్ స్పేస్ ఐ కెన్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఇదిగోండి. నా మామూలుగా అయితే యూ కెన్ టేక్ వన్ ఫార్మ్ క్లాస్, క్రియేట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, సెండ్ ఇట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్ వన్. సార్ దట్ ఈస్ అంత HTML code, you can take care about those things. Because of I'm very professional in HTML. I don't know that HTML language, but JavaScript I know. Function. How to create username and password in command prompt. What is username password? Create super user. They are not asking create super user. The username password anta. Super user అయితే just you have to give py manage.py create super user. In how many course will complete? MySQL started. I don't have the classroom links. Completed. Sir, చూడండి now. Once I am clicking on this one, now here it is ready. I am entering some name. Submit the name. Once you click on submit, the method is the get method. I want to read this value. And how to read by using get method, because here in the form I'm not given anything. By default it is a get method. Go to the views.py def. I want to go with age underscore view. Instead I have to give request. I want to print the cookies information. First time cookies are empty, only CSRF token is available. Request dot cookies, the dictionary I'm displaying. I want to get the data provided by end user. From the get method, you can take the name I can provide it there. This is some username. Send this username. How to send? Return render. Inside I want to give request, comma, testy app slash html, comma, dictionary. Dictionary I'm given name. What is the name I'm given? Username. But don't return this response directly. Stored into the method is set underscore cookie. Inside you have to provided name, comma, what is the variable? Username. Return this response. Now this is the way of creating the next view. So just it is our understandable purpose I am printing. First time cookies does not contain anything. Only one CSRF token is available there. Request.get, it is nothing but end user provided data stored into variable, created a dictionary, forwarded it to HTML. Before forwarding, I set the cookie and I'm returning the response. Age.html is required. Now page. Sir, here key is name. Okay, this username is end user provided data. I'm taken here this variable. This variable assigning to dictionary name as name. In HTML page, you can inject it with this name. Done, completed. No. You don't is that HTML. I have to take another page. Right click, new file, age.html, sir. Here take HTML, inside body, h1 tag, hello, curling brace. What I want to print? Name. The name will be printed here. After that, take one form. Class, I don't want. Action, I will mention, not post method. Remove this. Internal, I want to go with enter your age. Take the type text, name equal to, I'm given age, sir. Next, I want to provide break, break, next line, next line. Input, type equal to, I can provide submit, the value equal to submit age. Page is ready. So this view is rendering this page, but this view URL is not there. Mention one URL. The URL is I can provided age. Here I can provided age views dot age view. This URL you have to mention. Where can I mention? Age in the home.html. In the action, can I give age or not? Yes, because once I click on submit name, it is going to this URL. In the URL, it is pointing to the age view. So in this views, age view is responsible to display the age.html. If everything goes fine, it will be displayed. Open the browser. First, you have to refresh, enter the name, submit the name. Hello, Mahesh. Enter your age. So, once I'm entering some age, submit age. I want to display next page, girlfriend. In that, don't display name and age. Again, you have to display only name only. Don't display the age. So, age.html. Age.html. This is the code. No, before you have to use in H reference, you have to use because it is going to the main URL. Main server address is this one. It is pointing up to here. From there slash, it will goes to the age. So take this one, age.html. For this age one URLs. Name, username will be returned. Line number 88. The name is the cookies dictionary name. That username is this one. The end user provided username. That name assigning to the name in the cookies. Ante internally one cookies dictionary will be created. In that key is the name. The user provided data. Just I'm given name Mahesh. Like that one dictionary will be created. That is the meaning of line number 88. This is the one dictionary. Name is the key. Username is nothing but what is this username? End user form, I'm getting the name. Like that, cookies will be created. Sir, ఇక్కడ సెండ్ చేసాం కదా in the console, is it displaying any cookies? ఇదిగోండి only dictionary. What is available? CSRF token. Any name is available, displaying, be displayed. Next print, girlfriend view. The views.py. Define one more function to ask the girlfriend name. Completed this one. So views. So in the views, take the one more view, def, gf underscore view. Inside I can give request. Just it is your understandable purpose. I am printing the cookies. In the server console, it will be displayed, sir. Sir, now I want to read the name, end user provided name. In the previously, I'm using line number 9 from the get, I'm taking the name. This time I have to ask about request from where cookies. Because I set the cookie, inside what is the variable name I'm given? Name. So that's why this time I have to take in from cookies dot name stored into one variable. What it is? It is username provided by end user. How to get the age? Request dot. Here I can use the get of what is the value? Age, because age is available here. From there I want to read, not from the cookies. That's why I'm using which method? Get method. Stored into variable. What is the variable? Age. Now return render inside first argument request, comma, test app slash gf dot html. You have to set the dictionary that is name colon username. This is the actually we have to forward, but don't send this stored into variable response. This response set underscore cookie. What can I set? Only age you can say, comma, age. Return this response. Return response. So age I'm taken from the get method. Username taken from the cookies. I created one dictionary. I forwarded to gf.html. Before forwarding, I'm set the cookie to the age. In the previous method, I set the name cookie. Now age is also provided there. This is the views. Finally, gf.html is required. I am using variable, my own variable. Man, this variable, anything I can use. I can use R, then R dot set cookie. Because it is the end user response. That's why understandable name I'm given. It is not predefined variable. Any variable you can use. By using that variable, you can set the cookie. Yeah, because the reason is in the final page, I want to display age. In this page, I don't want display age. That's why I'm not created dictionary. I don't want. My intention is in the last page, I want to display name, age, girlfriend name. That's why I'm not created dictionary. Only name is passing. Only that name I want to display to the page. That is the reason. Because of in the upcoming page, last result page, I want to read the age. For that, I can set the cookie. Completed. Views. So next HTML page you have to take. Yeah, HTML. Go to the test app, right click, file, gf.html. Here you have to take one HTML page. body, H1 tag, hello, curling brace, name. And I have to take one form inside, no class, action, I will provide method no because of get method. Inside I want to provided enter girlfriend name. Input type text name equal to I can provided girlfriend. Take the BR break. Next again input type equal to submit. The value is submit girlfriend name. This is the girlfriend.html. ఎక్కడ లైన్ నెంబర్ ఎర్ర ఉన్నాయి మిస్టేక్ ఏమన్నా 109 కరెక్ట్ కదా రిక్వెస్ట్ డాట్ కుకీస్ ఆఫ్ నేమ్ define one URL views dot gfu. This URL address you can mention into the form action. In age.html you can mention this URL address. Sorry, go to the URLs. Here URLs. I mentioned this one. This URL you have to mention into age. Once you click on submit age, I want to display that one. So give the GF. See the server. Server is restarted. First, give the home page address, name, asking name, submit. Enter age 50. Submit. Enter your girlfriend name. I am entering girlfriend name. Submit this. Finally, go to there. In the last page, you have to display all the details. So who is responsible? View. Last function, view. Results view. చూడండి cookies లో this time పక్కా name will be available there. ఇదిగోండి name is added there. Age not added because I'm not added. Next function I added the age also. So that is the last function, sir. We use dot py. Here def result underscore view inside request. Okay, just print cookies. It will display dictionary. Now take the value request dot cookies of name stored into variable one our user name. User whatever enter that name. Request dot cookies of age also I am taking because just now I created age cookies here. Age, but method only. get of GF stored into the GF name. So three are available there. All the three. Name I'm taken from the cookies, age taken from cookies, girlfriend from the get because just now I'm entering the girlfriend name. From this form, I have to read the data get. Now you have to send the response return 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 render inside first argument request comma test app slash results dot html. You have to create dictionary all values name username comma you have to give age because I want to display all. That's I'm creating dictionary age comma next I want to give an gf colon gf name. So cookie is not required because next page is not there. At display that's not set the cookie. Finally, I have to return this. This is the final view. This HTML page is responsible to display final story. Completed. Finally, last page results.html. Take this one last file, right click, new file, results.html. Take HTML. Sir, inside here, form all are not required, just to display only H1 tag, hello, curling brace, name. Thanks for providing information. I have to know outside. Thanks for providing information. Next, H2 tag, I have to tag inside, please cross check your data and confirm. I want to display UL inside LI name. I want to display one more, that is age, curling brace, age. Finally, I want to display one more list of item, girlfriend name, display curling brace, GF. Now what is required? URL is required. Results. What is the view name? Result view. So this results you can give into where gf.html. Here you can give action this one. Now check the server. ఎక్కడో ఎర్ర ఉంది. ఎక్కడ URL లో comma is missing. Sir, now check the server. Started. Copy. Go to the browser. Give the home address. Double slash padinda. Now, sir, enter your name. Submit. Enter the age. Submit. Enter the girlfriend name. Submit. Hello, Mahesh. Thanks for providing information. Please cross-check your data and confirm. Name, age, girlfriend name will be printed. So this is the way of how to providing the cookies. But these cookies are temporary cookies. What is the code you can require now? Results. This is the results, sir. Add some colors. So these are all the temporary cookies. Once the browser will be closes, everything will be gone. Next class is, when is our next class? Monday. Next class is on Monday. Tomorrow. Enjoy holidays. Why 4 days holidays?
Recording stopped.
Oh, Shivaratri, day after tomorrow. 4 days enjoy. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Why, sir? Because of every class, all classes holidays tomorrow onwards. All classes means my classes. My classes, Python classes, Django evening, online classes also. Holidays. Next class, my class is on Monday. Why? The reason is పెళ్లి చూపులు. That is the reason. ఎవరికి సరే, బాయ్, ఎంజాయ్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ మండే. రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా. ఫామ్ లో బటన్ పెట్టాలి, ఇవ్వకూడదు. యాంకర్ ట్యాక్స్ అది బటన్ కదా. వచ్చు కానీ ఫామ్ లో చదివి ఉంటే బటన్స్ ఉంటాయి ఏదైనా ఫామ్ లో. అందుకని బటన్